What's facilitation? It enables you to extract information from people that moves you closer to a goal or outcome. It's particularly useful for the analysis phase of projects when you're working with stakeholders and you've got to have a mindset of curiosity. You ask a lot of questions. It's really good for instructional designers because as an ID, we don't have to be the expert on a topic. We can extract that information from the experts through facilitation skills and build more effective training. What? Facilitation tip for instructional designers that feel anxious around facilitating a workshop. Number one, it is going to happen. That is a fact. But you can prepare to minimize anxiety or worries, and one of the ways that I do this is I rehearse out loud. I walk around the room rehearsing, saying it out loud. If you're still anxious, write all down all the things that are making you anxious and then put improvement actions against each. This puts you into preparing for things that you can control and also moves to a solution mindset, not a problem mindset. And always remember that nothing is guaranteed. Expect the unexpected, surrender to it, and go check out our YouTube for more tips and contextual insights and our Creator Hub for resources and templates. How do you deal with a difficult participant in a workshop? I would say a difficult participant is someone that talks too much where it doesn't add value or they're being disruptive. So I like to begin the workshop and I put it out there to the group because I want group accountability. I ask, what specific random word can we say if we are not on topic or being disruptive? The result is we can have a laugh. We can get agreement on a word and we can give permission throughout to say the word. So what's the word? They come up with some silly word like hippopotamus, falafel, apple, something like that. We get agreement, everyone knows, and everyone can call that to say it out loud. And when people are being disruptive, anyone in the group, not just me as a facilitator, can say that word and we get back on track to achieve the goal and the outcome that we are there to achieve in our workshop. Check out our Creator Hub for resources and templates. What's an icebreaker that you can use in your workshop? And an icebreaker needs to be intentional, okay? So you want it to prime behavior and frame a mindset. So the subset outcome is to humanize participants. Example, like hierarchy, people that don't know each other. So how can you do this? One example is to complete this sentence. Get your participants to do this. I'm Kim Tui. A memory that comes to mind in regards to the intent of the workshop is XYZ. The thing I learned from this memory is blah. So remember, it needs to be intentional. You want to prime a behavior or a mindset. How many people do you want to include in a workshop you're facilitating? Well, you probably only need 6 to 8 people if you have the right people in the room. So get clear on the outcome of the workshop, and when you're setting it up, ask the organizer to invite up to 6 people that can best help you achieve the outcome of the workshop. This makes it really, really productive, and it is a very effective use of time. Check out our Creator Hub for templates and resources, or our YouTube for more contextual tips and insights. For more effective use of time at meetings and workshops, you want to time box them. So time boxing is allowing allocated time for each activity or agenda item. I make it visible so participants can see it. For example, on my slides, I have it down the bottom for each slide and activity. And for me, the shortest time possible is recommended. It helps keep people focused, it captures the essence and the need to know information aligned to the outcome or goal. And there is a time and place for deeper thinking, so apply the same approach to that, so as a separate agenda item activity. Go check out our Creator Hub for templates and resources to help you be a better instructional designer. How to accommodate introverts and extroverts in your workshops or meetings. So do not let this limit your thinking, because there's so much information on how to do the best for introverts and extroverts on the internet. Instead people, create an environment for all humans to flourish, free from insecurities. How? Tell them, we're going to do many activities to support our goal today. Some you'll feel comfortable doing, some uncomfortable. It's going to be easy for you, or it's going to be hard for you. It's going to come up with loads of ideas, or no ideas whatsoever. It is all okay. If you contribute nothing from an activity, just say that, and we'll move on. Not all activities suit everyone. That's why we do a variety, so at least once your ideas will be captured. So that's what you want to say. How do you end a meeting or a workshop? Allow 15% of your total time for next steps. So if you got an hour, that's 9 minutes. 30 minutes, that's 4.5 minutes. Put time on your agenda. Use this time to identify your next milestone. The facilitator or the project manager is going to be the best option. Determine next steps to achieve your milestones. Allocate a task owner and agree on a deadline to complete the task. So as the facilitator, you need to lead it and document it, and the facilitator needs to send this plan in an email to all participants and relevant stakeholders at the end. Check out our Creator Hub for more templates and resources to be a better instructional designer. Thanks for choosing to learn with us. Cute.